Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm back with my Zodiac makeup series with Sagittarius. It's gonna be a blue colored makeup, and first I'm gonna start with my primer from NYX the Angel Well. I really love this primer. I never used primer before and I'm super satisfied with this. It's just magical, works beautifully and perfectly like they said will work. I love it. Then I'm using my Garnier BB Cream Pure Active in the medium color because I have a little bit darkish skin, but not now because I wasn't outside for too much, so I don't have too much tan. But I still have darker skin than a usual European woman or Middle European, because others at the south it's okay. I won't get into this right now. Now I'm using my Miss Porty So Matte Cover Stick in the color 001 Light that I really love. It's a little bit tricky and I need to concentrate, that's why I'm doing it like this, because as you know I don't have too much of it and I need to use it with concentration because it's hard to use it because it's just a little bit. And then I'm just blending everything out with a beauty blender. I love my beauty blenders. I love using blenders. And I forgot to use a powder today, but it's not a big problem. Now I'm using my eyeshadow base from NYX again. I really love this too. And then I'm using a Bowlish eyeshadow palette, the number 4, and I'm using that whitish color just a little bit because it's a fiery sign, so I wanted to do a blue fire theme with it. Now I'm using my NYX In Your Element Wind palette and I'm using that light blue color. It's gonna be on my or under my eyebrow bone. It's gonna be kind of the lightish base. I'm just doing under my waterline too. Then I'm using my NYX In Your Element Air eyeshadow palette and a darker blue color that's gonna be at the crease of my eye, and they work super beautifully together, these two colors, and I just blend them together at the end to make a nice transition. Then I'm using again the Bowlish palette and the shiny light blue. It's gonna be on my eyelid and I'm just gonna blend it together with the white later. I started with the white because I don't want it to use too much brushes or too many brushes, sorry. Then I'm using my NYX Escape Artist eyeshadow palette and that's super nice dark blue. This is super pigmented, so I need to be really careful with it. And then I just do this dark color like this, not a smoke out or smoky eye look. It's a little bit different because I applied it a little bit different than I usually do, and I applied it under my eyes a little bit at the outer corner, and I just blend everything out with the smaller brush like you see it. It looks super nice. Then I'm using again the Escape Artist eyeshadow palette and that brown color to fill my eyebrows because I love that brown color and these colors are super pigmented. I love them so much. Then I'm using my Essence Never Give Up Your Daydream eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna be using the blue color called Dreamy as a highlighter because you know I use this palette only for highlighting. Once I tried to use it as an eyeshadow but it wasn't looking that good on me, so I'm just using it as a highlighter and I bought it as a highlighter palette for myself. Then I'm using again this Escape Artist's dark blue to line my lips because I wanted the same look on my lips, and I wanted to fill it with a blue lipstick but my blue lipsticks wasn't the right blue, so I just got back to the Air palette and to that blue and filled it, not totally because I'm gonna be adding the white in the middle So I just blended these two together and then just blend out, soften it the edges. It looks super nice. And then I used the Bowlishes white again in the middle, like that, and just blend everything out nicely and evenly, and it looked super nice. Then the NYX Photo Hype mascara in the color black. I really love this mascara. It works amazingly, and I just applied that to make volume to my eyelashes, but I don't want it to do anything interesting with my eyelashes today, so that's just a little mascara today. And that's the finished look. I wear a beautiful jewelry set, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like this makeup look. So if you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's lots of links in the description that you should check out. Please leave some sweet comments, and see you next video. Bye!